the solution to this example, first thing we need to do, we've got how we want them to appear, and we've got the list here where it should be a drop down, so we can highlight it and then switch data validation on. So if I go to data validation, I'm going to choose a list, and the source is going to be my approved names here. I'm just going to highlight them all. I'm going to say OK. So now what you've got is if you click on any of them, you've got an approved list drop down, but this doesn't help ones that were already wrong. Excel cannot retroactively change them. So in order to see them, we click on data validation, and there's an option here called circle invalid data. When I click on it, so firstly it warns me there's too many for now, so it only does a few of them. But if you scroll down, you'll see them highlighted. And if you're going to use this technique, then you need to go to all the ones that are highlighted and change them to the correct one, and then you can switch them on again to see what's still invalid. Very useful for if you have drop down lists and you worry that people have somehow made mistakes, you can quickly check where the mistakes are.